Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off iMessage notifications on Mac. So actually it is very easy and quick. So first of all, of course, you need to open the settings on your MacBook. So as you open settings, here you need to just scroll down a little bit the left hand menu and choose here notifications with little bell icon. Now in the notification settings, we need to scroll down the list of applications installed on your MacBook. And here we will have messages. So go and choose messages here. And now you can customize what notifications from iMessages you want to see, or basically if you don't want to see them at all, you just simply need to turn off the first option, allow notifications from messages. And basically that is it. That is how you can turn off iMessage notifications on Mac. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.